Look at the size of this crane. Look at that. Wow. And they're going up a little bit. There's another bridge here.
YouTube channel. I guess it was real black. That saw this?
I'm ready to tape you.
One, 2, 3.
Hey, Lucas. Your turn. Lucas' turn. Yep, Lucas.
I'll do a countdown. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump!
Got it. You got it, Lucas. You okay?
Yeah.
You got water in your nose?
Oh, that must be cold. The bluer the water, the warmer it is. It's not normally this case when it comes here in summer all the time. It's a little tricky getting back on the dock.
You
in
did
the
it.
water.
You did it.
It's not that bad.
Mid-October. Snow's gonna fall soon.
Take a picture.
I'm taking a video.
We're on the roof. Take like 2 or 3 more.
Okay, I'll take some out.
Take them out by the can. Take them out by the can.
No, don't break it.
Yeah, after.
Why would you break it? No,
No,
don't. No.
No, we're trying to make it so we can touch the top.
How many more?
Like 2. Hey, look, this one's loose.
Here, you gotta take 2 out.
What? How did this one just fall out? Whatever, put it on the top. That one? I know.
Oh, it's gonna fall. All done.
All done.
do is... Hummingbird is in there. You see him? He's gonna come back.
That was a redneck.
I wonder if I can get closer.
So it's this new bike.
What'd you get?
I got 2 Lego sets.
Right here. I made butter for the first time. With her milk. First time making butter.
Cool. How many liters was that?
That was only like 2 cups.
You did it in a blender?
Yeah.
Cool. And that's the leftovers?
That's the buttermilk.
Oh, that's the buttermilk?
Pretty cool.
Now you have to harden it up.
Yeah. You're gonna film in here with it all messy? Here, try it.
Mmm.
Can we make cookies now?
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
We're almost done the puzzle. 1,000 piece.
Okay, go get the pieces, Lucas.
Yeah, go
Couple
get
more
the pieces,
There's one piece here.
Oh, we're missing some. Look, we only have 3.
Oh,
1,
there's this one.
yeah, 4, 5. We don't have enough. Actually, we don't.
Oh, there should be some around. There could be.
Got another piece.
See?
It's gotta be underneath the table.
You look underneath the table. Not there. No. You're missing pieces, Didi.
Got another one.
See? We don't have enough. We're missing a piece, Didi's, for your big puzzles. Are you happy that we're working on it?
Got another one.
You're
Another
missing a
one.
piece.
1 piece only.
No, 2.
Oh yeah. This must be somewhere over here.
That one's missing.
No,
See?
there's 2 pieces missing.
So
Let's see if we can find
we
it.
still gotta go on.
We gotta find the piece.
1,000 piece puzzle.
Come on.
Go.
We got the 2 pieces.
You found it.
Does it go here? Yeah.
No. We have to phone Mom. We have to phone Mom. Phone
Yeah,
Mom.
phone mommy.
And do what?
Phone mommy.
Phone Mommy.
Phone Mom. We'll
Yeah.
put it in first.
No.
No.
Okay.
No.